Hi, I'm Jeff, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today I'm going to talk about using advanced page composition, specifically includes, um, as an asset in your pages. And we discussed page assets in the previous video, and we're, when we when I discussed using basic page composition, which you only would use template and fragment assets. But with advanced page composition, you have includes that you can use and tag-based callbacks. We're going to talk about tag-based callbacks in future videos, but today we're just going to focus on includes. So includes allow you to uh, encapsulate HTML into a file and to use that HTML in numerous places throughout your project, whether it's in in the same page numerous times or numerous pages. Uh, in the demo I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you how you can use includes to create a header and a footer that you would want to use throughout your site for each page, or maybe most pages. Okay, so I'm going to now switch over to Visual Studio Code, and that looks right. Now, this is the same, basically the same project as we ended with in the last video. I have made a few changes though. In the fragment, I have added some lorem ipsum to it, and I have also added some styling to the page, to the generated page. And I didn't include this, I didn't add styling to impress you with my styling capability, but rather to be able to highlight the header and the footer when the page is rendered. So that's the extent of why I am added some CSS here. So now let's create our header and footer. So first off, I'm going to go to the includes folder, and I'm going to create a header.html file. And I'm going to add some front matter to it. In this case, we're only we're telling Trio to append the content of this include file to the tag that's going to declare it. And here I'm going to just create a simple div with a class of MFP header, and we're just going to say here header goes here, and I'm going to copy this and use this to create my footer. Here another simple div with a class of MFP footer. And here we're just going to say footer goes here. And that's it. So here we have our footer with a class of MFP footer and a header with a class of MFP header. And now we need to add these includes into our template. So let's do that now. So here I'm going to create a simple header tag with a class of container. And here I'm going to create a simple footer tag with a class of container. So now we have to tell Trio that we're using these tags for includes. And the way we do that is by using data attributes. And the data attribute is data trio include. And here we name the actual file that we're including. In this case, it's header.html. We'll do similarly here. Oops. And this is footer.html. Whoops. go. And that looks right. We'll just check our header and footer again. That looks good. Now all we have to do is build the page, and build the site rather. And there we have it. We have our header and our footer. The header has its content, the footer has its content, and the fragment has its H1 tag and 2 paragraphs, so lora ipsum. So I hope this demonstrates how the ability that includes provide when you're creating your pages. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you have, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you do subscribe, please consider clicking on that bell so that you will be informed when I add more content to the channel. So thank you for joining me. I look forward to seeing you again. Thank you. Bye-bye.